Hola mga kalagobs! Welcome back to the channel. So for today, it's Friday, it's holiday, pero may ganap tayo. Aalis tayo ngayon, pupunta tayo sa salon, magpapa-freshen up lang ako. Papaganda, papalinis onti ng nails. Hindi naman siya madumi, pero kailangan ko lang siya i-retouch ang nails kasi meron tayong event mamayang gabi, but ang call time namin is 2 p.m. It's a company event, and then ito yung susuot ko. Diba? Formal bakla ngayon. So, samahan niyo ako mga kalagobs. Let's go! Ate Cho, where are you? Gaya mo ng kilay 2,000 yung kilay ko. Gaya mo kilay 2,000 yung mapanakit yung dulo.
Ang Miss Universe ba?
Pang Miss Universe na kilay. Mas ganito ba ako kilay, no? Okay, let's go, Kuya Noel. It's your turn. Saling na ako ng patch. Ano na pag sa mata? Nakakaantok sa patuloy.
Mid-blood yan. Shadow plus lipstick.
Perfect. Korean look tayo ngayon. Shoot babae tayo dito sa makeup. Parang ayoko na umattend. Nahiya ako. Parang gusto ko maghilamos. Ay, nako. Let's see. Mamayang gabi pa naman ang event. Nagbago isip ko, pwede na ako maghilamos. Oh, pak! Sino ka dyan, Gabriela? Diyos ko, naka-lashes. Ang bigat pala sa mata pag naka-false eyelashes. Kulang na lang wig. Mukhang sasali na ako sa Miss Gay. Miss Gay pang Kalawakan. Ay, nako. Papayas ko na lang kay Jap mamaya if ever. Let's see kung anong comment ni Jap sa aking fest. Okay. Fairness, nagtanggal na ako ng lashes kasi ang bigat talaga ng lash ko. Hindi siya carry. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna wear later. Maganda mo na makeup sa lighting.
It is my honor to present to you a surprise
Dear
for tonight.
Remember the time when you dreamed of being a princess? When you thought of a handsome prince whisking you away to happily ever after? Where is she? Did you ever realize that you never relied on anyone for your happiness? You made your way to find your space, your own place. You discovered who you are at your own pace. Be proud, yet prudent. Be brave, be more than brave. Be striking, be bold. Be confident. Take the chance, even when the chances evade you. Take the leap, whether or not the safety net has been cast. Set no boundaries, fight for your goals. Make those mistakes. Own your narrative. And be authentic. This is your place. You finally found her. You found the power of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to present to you the striking, the bold, the powerful, the ambassador of Ultherapy Philippines, Miss Heart Evangelista! Everybody put your hands together for the ambassador of Ultherapy Philippines, Miss Heart Evangelista!
That heart is part of what is or how do you define the power of you?
The power of you is just being your unique self. There's no one gonna be like you. And that's what's going to set you apart and that's going to make you shine.
Si Miss Heart. Wala nang red?
May red pa po doon pero di po.
Pagoda, I'm home na. Fresh pa ang makeup. Tinanggal ko na yung tinanggal ko kanina yung eyelash kasi just ko die para akong kasali sa Miss Gay. Kaloka. Kaya tinanggal ko na lang siya. Hindi ko siya tinuloy. Maloka sila sa kilay ko. Fresh. Ganda ng makeup. Plakado pa din. Foundation. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.